Hello kids, let's learn k sound. K, cat. K, camera. K, carrot. K, cow. K, car. K, cake. K, camel. K, kite. K, king. K, kitten. K, kick. K, key. K, kettle. K, kangaroo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.